So today we're making pancakes from scratch. These are our ingredients, everything simple and laid out for you. So let's get started. So I started off with about 2 cups of flour and I added all of my ingredients. I did the dry ingredients first and then I mixed up the dry ingredients. I don't really know why this was important. I looked at a few different recipes for pancakes from scratch, and all of them said to mix the dry ingredients first and then add the liquid in. But it was a pretty simple process. We just mixed everything together. I will say that one thing that I feel like I should have done was add a bit more water. So I didn't put it in the picture for our ingredients, but make sure you have at least a cup of water. Now, I seen this on 5 Minute Crafts and I thought that it was going to be a good idea. I used an empty bottle. It was a syrup bottle to dispense my pancake mix and store for later, and that quickly became a disaster because I don't have I don't know what you call it, one of those little swindle things that you pour the liquid inside and it goes a funnel. I didn't have that, but that's what I got. It was a decent amount in there and it worked pretty well, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, just go ahead and pour it in there with a spoon. But this is what our pancakes came out looking like. They were nice and fluffy, and honestly, it was a good go-to.